Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says let a equals to this, b equals to this, if xy belongs to real number such that 3x plus y, okay, this, and solve for 4x plus 5y, okay. So, first we have to break down this part, and we have to break down this part in such a way so that we can break 18 into a's, okay, or we have to write a's into 18. So first try to understand what is a is 3 times 2 power 1 by 2. So look at this, suppose we will do square. Just imagine, if we will do square, we will have a square equals to 9 and 2 18. Okay, means 18 can be written as a square. Is that okay? Same way we will try to convert this 1080, okay, into power of this. So just be super slow and observe. Can I write down b as, okay, keep observing, b as 5 power 1 by 6 times 6 power 1 by 2, correct? Now what I want to do is, like, the least power is this. So what I will do, I'll make everything into power of 6. So it will look like 5 into 6 power 3, okay, and then power will be 1 by 6. This is okay, yes or no? Just tell me. Is that okay? Yes. Now look at this. You know that 6 cube is nothing but 216, and 216 multiplied by 5 means multiply by 10 divided by 2, correct? So it is 108. So it is 1080, correct? So can I write down this number as 1080? So this thing will become 1 by 1080 power 1 by 6. Okay. So what I will do, I will take this thing on the numerator. Okay. So it will become 1080 power minus of 1 by 6. Okay. Or else we guys will do this. I will write 1080 power 1 by 6 is equal to 1 by b. Now taking power 6 both sides. So 1080 can be written as 1 by b power 6 or b power minus 6. I hope till this part you guys are comfortable. This is the most crucial thing that you have to do. Now start manipulating equation. So first equation is 3x plus 2y equals log base a. And who is 18? 18 is a square. So can I write down a power 2 power 5 by 4? So this thing gone, and you know that if anything is in the power of argument will come at coefficient. So 5 by 2 log a base 2 is, log a base a is 1. So we got our updated equation 1. Let's multiply both sides by 2. So it is 6x plus 4y equals 5. This is our first equation. Okay. Now let's do the same thing with second part. So it is 2x minus y and then log base b and 1080. 1080 in place of 1080, can I write b power minus 6? B power minus 6 power 1 by 2. So it is minus 3, and minus 3 will come at coefficient. So minus 3 log b base b. Done. So can I multiply both sides by 3? So it will become 6x minus 3y is equal to minus 9. So we got our both the equations. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now what we'll do? We will subtract equation 1 and equation 2. So it is 6x plus 4y equals 5. 6x minus 3y minus 9 minus plus plus. Okay. So it is 7y and then it is 14. So y becomes what? 2. So we got value of y as 2. If y is 2, let's find out x. So it is 6x plus 8 equals to 5. So it will become minus of 3, 6x. So x becomes what? Minus of 1 by 2. So we got our y and we got our x. Now we need to calculate 4x plus 5y. 4x plus 5y. Required value is 4x plus 5y. You know that x is minus 1 by 2. So 2 is 2 gone. We are left with 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 and then plus 10. So the required value becomes 8. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.